So hello and welcome to the channel. So here we have the label maker, a much needed accessory that I thought I did not know I needed, but is essential for your daily tasks when trying to be organized. At first you may think you may not need it, but you will. At first I didn't think I will be needing this little machine, but it is a life-changing device that will improve your livelihood in the long run. Thanks to Julalak for helping me decide on purchasing this for myself to make my organizational skills a much needed one for that. So yeah, thanks to her that I'm able to do this now, more organized and better than ever. So this is the one I got for myself, and it does come with a spare paper tray or white paper. Here we have the user manual, tray, and the label maker itself. This is what comes in the box. A much needed tool for organizational if your writing isn't very legible or very good. Preferably label maker is best. So here on the side, let's take an overview. Here's the cutting, and here's the port where the cartridge goes, the paper one. And as you can see, just make sure just push it in and firmly inside to the label maker. Make sure it's nice and flat. So before we use it, we first have to, it does use 4 AA batteries in the back here. Let's open it up. You can see here, and then here's the security strip. Take that out, that's trash. So it does need 4 AA batteries. In my case, I will be using 4 rechargeable batteries. So I don't have to keep buying more. Just buy it once and that's all you need. The link will be in the description for those batteries if you wish to use those as well, because it does save you money in the long run. So here are the 4 that I already have charged. As you can see, I marked it so I know which ones are dead or need charging. These are, in this case, these are fully charged. So I'll be using these 4 rechargeable AA batteries. Put it inside the label maker. Make sure in the right proper direction, negative, positive. Once you have your new batteries installed, now you're ready to put in the paper cartridge into the label maker. So before you put your cartridge in, you first gotta notice, I don't know if you noticed, but also my cartridge, the white paper from the cartridge. If it looks like this, then you would have to pry it open. So as you can see, in the tip of the cartridge, there's no paper sticking out. If this is your case, then you would have to pry it open, and I'll show you how to do that at the end of this video. Don't forget to use the timestamps below to help you guide in the direction that you're in the video. So once you take out if you have the case that your cartridge paper doesn't stick out, all you have to do is get your cartridge and open it up gently, because it's made of plastic, so make sure you open it up. The paper cartridge should look like this. The amount it should be sticking out, actually more. But I opened it up and it looks like this from the inside. And all you just do is just roll it outward so it sticks out more. So I was doing it a bit more in the beginning. So if you have the same issue, this will help. So this came with the cartridge, so it has to be sticking out like that. So when you order your cartridge, it should be like this. So just for those who have this same problem as I have, it should be sticking out like that. When it's like that, it should be like this out of the box, but mine wasn't. So the solution would be to do this: open it up and make it stick out like that, exactly how I have it. Then once you have it sticking out, like the amount of paper that's sticking out, that's how it should be. Or you do is just roll it. If it's too much, then just roll it back from the inside and then just cover it up gently, because it's made of plastic. So you just close it up gently like it was before. And once all the corners and the edges, the round edges are closed, covered, and it should look like this. That's how it should look like when you get yours. Make sure it looks like this, because if it doesn't, then you would have to pry it open like I did right now. So once it's fully closed, back into the label maker, nice and firmly pressing down and make sure it's all flat. And it should look like this, but mine wasn't, but now it's fixed. And that's how it should look like. And close it and power it on once you have the batteries on. Now you just close it and turn it on. And let's do a test run. This one I'm going to do for a folder. So now I'm just going to press on the top right hand corner. It says print. Press it once and it'll be printing. Now that I finally fixed the cartridge for the paper, you just press it down on the side to cut it. Like that. Once you cut it, you can let it go and then it's cut. And there's your label maker. nice, clearly printed out. No ink required. That's all you need. A good label maker that'll last you for many years. And yeah, stay organized, and it will make your life easier, so you could search any folder you want, or archives. In this case, I'll be using for my folders to keep me organized. And here's your little tab that tells you how much you have left. You can see it through the window. Hope this video helped and letting you know that how essential having a label maker is. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.